at the LNJP hospital, Sumi, by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and several directions were also given to the Delhi government to keep up when it comes to the requirements and the facilities that will be made available from now onwards to many patients who are seeking COVID treatment.
Absolutely, Amita. There were a lot of complaints and accounts of people where they, went to certain hospitals and be it the private ones or the government ones, where they were not able to seek the treatment that they wanted for coronavirus. And once that happened, once that came to the notice of the central government was quick enough to react. And Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited LNJP Hospital, because LNJP Hospital was in fact in the eye of the storm, and he visited and gave the Delhi government several instructions, and one of the main instructions being that installment of CCTV cameras at every nook and cranny of the hospital, so that monitoring of the situation can be can be done in a better manner. And after that visit by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah took place to the LNJP hospital, Delhi government also gave out the order that they will install the CCTV cameras at LNJP, and this will definitely help the administration and the Delhi government to have a better monitoring, to have a better count, and to decrease those number of cases which the Delhi citizens were facing in the past. In fact, today is also a significant day in terms of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with all the chief ministers of several states and also the union territories, and he will in fact he will in fact take stock of the situation via reports of certain states that will come from the chief ministers. And this meeting will take place today and also tomorrow. This will be an important meeting, as it is one of those meetings which will actually give out more instructions to the state governments to move forward. And in fact, several state governments are taking their calls as far as the lockdown is concerned.
How the first phase of the Unlock 1 has been going around, because there has been a significant rise in the cases that have been reported from almost all parts of the country. But what Sumi had raised, Amandeep, when it comes to today's meeting the Prime Minister will be holding with the Chief Ministers of different states and union territories. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh had also said that there will be new measures that will be taken up 1st of July onwards. Can you take us through some of them?
Yes, exactly, Amita. The Punjab Chief Minister has already announced that from 1st of July there are certain kind of more relaxations and the restrictions will be imposed in the state of Punjab, and more things will be discussed with the Prime Minister in today's meeting. Just because the Punjab Chief Minister is going to hold the meeting with Prime Minister through the VC today itself, and in fact there are certain issues to be raised. First is the financial assistance from the side of the centre to Punjab, just because Punjab is facing the major crisis in their financial terms, and the economy of the Punjab is not resumed so far. So they will be seeking, this is the prime and the most important thing that is going to mention by the Punjab Chief Minister to the Prime Minister, that needs some kind of financial assistance, as they have already written to the Union Ministry that 80,000 crore financial assistance will seeking by the Punjab Chief Minister. And in fact, more on to this, the Punjab has already imposed the weekend restrictions, and these are the special restrictions that has been imposed in the lockdown Unlock 1.0. and in fact, more on to this, just because now there is a very unique situation in the Punjab. The natives of Delhi had started opting for the Punjab for their COVID treatment. In fact, more than 100 people have visited the Punjab for the COVID treatment, just because they are not getting the places in the Delhi hospitals, they are not getting facilitated by the Delhi health department. So now they have opted for the Punjab, and in fact the Punjab is facilitating them, providing them all kind of facilities over the COVID treatment. So there are certain kind of situations that Punjab is facing, and today in fact everything would be discussed with the Prime Minister, and in fact all the things would be put in one line and discuss all the situations, just because Punjab is on the edge to give more relaxations, just because in Unlock 1.0 according to the MHA guidelines, the Punjab has not opened opened the restaurant dine-in facilities in Punjab. Only takeaways are allowed, and in fact the malls are open, but on the weekends the mall will remain shut. All the non-essential shops on the weekends in Punjab will remain shut. There are certain timings, especially for the weekend, that has been set up by the state of Punjab. These are the special things that Punjab has decided by their own after taking the stock of the situation to avoid the COVID spread in a community manner. So this is the situation right now. So far there are 3,267 cases, positive cases have been reported in the state of Punjab, but the recovery rate is also quite high. So somewhere down the line Punjab is worried about the community spread, and in fact they are not stopping anyone to come to Punjab for the COVID treatment and even for any other purpose also. But meanwhile they are also taking care of this situation that COVID spread should be halted in any case.
But the
Yes,
hospital
Amita.
situation in the national capital, Amandeep, stay on with our Shanta Shri coming.